Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review of the Craftsman 10-piece Serpentine belt tool. Very nice tool, well made, and of course Craftsman always comes with this lifetime warranty on all of its tools. And what I'm going to do today is show you what it comes with, okay? It's a 10-piece Serpentine belt tool, and it's got a bunch of different stuff, some 3/8, half-inch, full link description in Amazon. If Craftsman Professional hand tool either fails, provides complete satisfaction, it will be repaired or replaced free of charge. For warranty coverage details, visit Craftsman.com. So it comes with the long wrench, short bar, and 8 sockets. Pretty neat tool. I will have the Amazon link below to buy one of these bad boys. And it's very affordable, actually. Prices fluctuate, so I'm not going to give it to you from this video. Also, check out Chmelaeon.com for other tools. We have a name your price feature that if you stay long enough on the product, you can actually shoot us an offer for the product itself. Unlike most websites where there's just the listing price, we can negotiate through margins and depending on how much it will cost to ship to your state or region. Other than that, Amazon link below to buy this. If you need a Serpentine tool belt, highly recommend the Craftsman. I've used these myself. And that's pretty much it. Chmelaeon.com, out. Amazon link below.